everybody to There's Poop!
Poop in my soup!
Now, I downloaded this game because you said you see Dan TDM play it.
Yeah.
Give me 5. Let's jump straight in. Okay, I'll show you the buttons and you can first go. Okay, so look. D's to go that way, A's to go that way. That's to go there, and then you have to push. Ah, that's how you do it. You got to kind of move this in like this to poop. Whoa, in the soup. Oh! Okay, you got to set up. Okay, so look. Okay. Oh, and now poop. This one, big button, big button. Okay, wait a minute. We need to go this way a little bit. Go, big button. Oh, you double pooped! Get the punk rocker. Get the punk rocker. Get the punk rocker. Oh, should we get the baby? What does that mean?
No, let's get it.
Okay, wait, we missed. We missed. Poop. Oh! It's on the baby.
Yeah.
Go, Tom, get the bike. Get the bike. Get the bike. Get the bike. Wait. Okay, let's get this guy. Alright, on the count of 3. Poop!
Poop!
Oh, we missed. Okay, go, poop.
Poop,
Poop, poop, poop, poop. Okay, wait, what are you doing? Ah, you're spamming! You're spamming on poop! Oh, there's poop everywhere! It's a rain of poop! What are you doing? Oh, you're going crazy! You're going crazy! Stop spamming that poop button! What are you doing? You're pooping everywhere! There is poop everywhere! Stop it! What's wrong? Why are you pooping so much?
He's naked. Outside.
Why are you pooping? Oh, it's on his head! Get this one, get this one. Poop. Okay, wait, you gotta hold it, until... Okay, wait a minute. Poop. Poop in his head. Oh!
You know what person is naked?
Okay, we've unlocked 25 poops. Okay. Oh, we've got loads of poops. Spray it, Tom. Just spray the poops. Spray the poops. Get everyone. Everyone needs to get pooped on. Get the baby. Get the baby. Oh!
It's going to be Chinese. Can I have a way to go out Chinese?
You want to go to a different world?
Yeah.
I don't know if we can yet. We'll have a look. Let's do one more level here. Just poop on everyone. Get everyone. Just get everyone. Just spam that button. Spam. Wait a minute. Stop. Spam that button. Just spam it.
Yes,
Spam it. Spam it. We'll get poop on someone. Still got some poop. Okay. Let's change the level. I don't know if we've unlocked a new level. Complete 28 or more 2 poo challenges.
2 more poo challenges.
Wait. 28 or more toe poo challenges. What's toe poo? I don't know what toe poo is. So you just kind of keep pooing.
Just spamming the poos.
Just spam that poo. Okay. Can Daddy have a go in a minute?
No poos. Yeah, can I have a Chinese go after this
Well,
one?
we haven't unlocked it. Oh wait, we might be able to. I think. Wait a minute, we can change our person. It's set up here. Character select. Have we unlocked the new ones? There's nothing here. Why is there nothing here? Oh, close the game. I kind of pushed the wrong button and closed the game down, didn't I?
Yeah.
So we're back for part 2 of There's Poop!
In my soup.
Okay, let's jump straight into it. Okay, can Daddy have a little poop?
Yeah.
Daddy just wants to have a quick poop. Okay, I'm gonna get this boy. Okay, I'm gonna get the boy eating his ice cream. He's gonna have a poop cone. That's what you get. Okay, now we're pooping this guy. Get the umbrella. Oh, it's in her face! Pooping on everyone. I'm a giant poop machine. Hey, stop stealing it, spamming. Hey! You've gone crazy! You're hijacking it again! Stop it! Stop! There's poop everywhere! Oh! There's a rain of poop! Stop! Oh, there's poop everywhere! Like, look at the sidewalk! There's poop everywhere! You've gone crazy with there's poop everywhere, the babies! Get the bike, go and get in the bike! Spam, 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 spam! Oh, we missed. Where's our man? Poop, get the bike, 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 get the bike. Oh, we're missing. Because you're spamming. Wait a minute. Spam!
Spam all of them!
Oh! Oh! What was that?
I used a double boot!
Whoa! Whoa, we've crashed the game. There's poop. Whoa, look at that score!
That ain't it! I can play on the 20 road!
There's poop in my soup!
Yeah, now we can play a Chinese one.
Maybe. Let's have one more go on this. Just to see. Let's do cannons. Cannons of poop. And then we'll just turd everywhere. We're crashing the game. The game cannot handle the amount of poop we are letting out. There's too much poop. Oh, there's poop in my soup! Hey! Okay, let's see if we've unlocked anything else. Okay. Have we unlocked? Oh, we've got Beijing! It's not China, it's Beijing.
Can I have another?
Okay. Okay, we've only got 10 soups, so you need to... Oh, wait, it does look a bit Chinese, doesn't it? Poop, space button. You do the poop and Dad will do the aiming. Daddy's a terrible aim. Get these, get poop, okay, poop. Poop, 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 poop. We've unlocked 15 poops. Okay. Poop, 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 poop. Poop. Keep pooping.
Keep pooping out these poops.
Okay, okay, keep pooping. Keep pooping. Okay, over here. Spray. Just spray. Yum yum rice. Oh, we've unlocked 25 poops.
Ah!
That means you can spray now. Do your poop spray. Poop spray. Oh, on the head.
What? I'm doing this. I'm not making poops.
Okay, we're going to have to end the video soon, buddy. And you can make one for your channel.
And I can watch my own one on my tablet.
Yeah. Okay. On that note, guys, we're going to end the video there. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.
Go bird, poop your face.
And if you enjoyed my son, I'll post a link down below so you can subscribe to his channel.
Champion!